Terrain Tamer have just released their heaviest duty shock absorber to date. It's a monotube Fortified shock designed for the extreme conditions in Australia. It's rated up to 5 tonne. We're up here in the high country. We're going to give it a run and see how she goes. Whilst having the opportunity to test the performance of these heavy duty shockers, both up in the scrub and on the roads, the first thing that stood out to me was the firmer ride they provided. Now this seriously enhanced the vehicle's handling and control on the bitumen as well as the gravel. Cornering felt a lot more stable. The effective dampening capabilities of the shockers became really evident, and the responsiveness presented a new sense of confidence as I pushed the vehicle through both tight turns and higher speed stretches. On the road, I noticed the reduced body roll, which contributed to a more solid feel. This allowed for a sharper steering without the unnerving lean typically associated with a less advanced suspension system. When pushing through on the dirt, they absorbed the jarring impacts from potholes and the corrugations extremely well. Now this allowed for a smooth and controlled ride over every surface. The larger cylinder improved heat dissipation, which also played a crucial role in maintaining performance during the extended off-road trips. This also prevents the shocks from overheating and ultimately running cooler in off-road conditions and the higher temperatures such as those you would encounter in the extremes of the Australian outback. This balance between on-road agility and the off-road capability made these shock absorbers a remarkable enhancement to my driving experience. Ultimately, the robust performance in both environments demonstrated a significant improvement in the overall ride quality, making me appreciate the engineering even more. Transitioning between the mountain driving and the tarmac was absolutely seamless. I was pretty impressed with the overall versatility and the handling of these shock absorbers all round. Well, as you've just seen, we've been up in the mountains a couple of days now, and we've been trialling this new Fortified shock absorber from Terrain Tamer. Everything we're throwing at it, it's come out trumps. So we've done the corrugations, we've done the rocks, we've done the washouts, and I'll tell you what, cannot fault it. Well worth the investment every day of the week.